Hey everybody, it's Sean Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. Well, here I go again. Today I am in Dali. So if you are interested in checking out my adventure on day one, then stick around for the rest of the video. So I just arrived in Dali. It is 1:45 p.m. in the afternoon on a Saturday. I had to go to Beijing first in order to fly here because Dali is in the southern part of China and it's such a small city that not many flights come in and out of this airport. Dali is located in the southern province of Yunnan, and that is really close to like Laos and Vietnam. Whoa, saved you. So Dali is located in the southern province of Yunnan, and it is really truly at the southern part. So some of the major cities here are Kunming as well. Dali is a city that is on the side of a large lake that is actually houses like an ancient city. Just even walking up to the hotel today, there's so many people outside taking pictures because it's such a beautiful place to be. I can't wait to get out and check out the ancient city. But before we go out and check out the city, let me show you this room. The hotel that I'm staying in is called the Linden Center. It's in a really ancient hutong building. And so they renovated it, and like all the old windows are all of these old shutters that can open and close. And then they even have these screens here. So right now it's about maybe 75 degrees, so all the windows are open and it feels incredible. Now every room has just some very authentic Chinese furniture. And then, for the first time in I couldn't tell you how long, there's no television in this room. You just have blank wardrobes. This one has an umbrella, some pillows, and some robes. So that is awesome. The bed is a king-size bed that looks quite comfortable. Let's hope so. And then the bathroom here is a very low ceiling. Like I could touch it. But it's got everything you need. Sink, toilet, and shower. And the shower has like a wooden floor. Let's check out that fish. And definitely some body wash, conditioner and shampoo, reusable. Wow, this is so cool. And then just the front door is like an old school lock. So there's my room. Pretty basic. And I could not be more happy just to be a little bit disconnected. The only thing I don't know is if there's Wi-Fi. I hope there's Wi-Fi. I'll probably have to ask that when I go downstairs. But I'm gonna head down so I can show you guys a little bit of Dali today. So of course my first stop has to be food. So I came to a restaurant, everything is packaged so perfectly. All my dishes are all clean in packages. And then the peanuts are like drenched in water. Quite delicious. Not really. Some Yunnan beer. Cheers. That's good. This is the brand. I don't know what it's called though. So along with my beer, they also give you some tea. Steaming hot. Let's see if I can see inside it. So I'm gonna pour that in here. Give that a try. Cheers. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's good. The first dish I ordered was fried peanuts. Oh my god, so good. Almost tastes like popcorn. That's amazing. The other dish I ordered was mapo tofu. So you combine it with the rice. This is one of my favorite Chinese food dishes ever. So I'm excited to dig in. Now that I've finished eating, let's explore the city. I do not have an agenda for day one. I just wanted to get into the city and explore what I could in this first day and then relax and get up really early tomorrow. So let's see what we can find. So I've come across a well. Can you see inside? I think it's in front of somebody's house. Pretty awesome. So after walking all of these streets, I'm so excited to show you guys some more. So I just woke up from a nap. Travel days make me tired. Alright, I'm gonna go try to catch sunset. So here I am at the end of the day, trying to catch sunset, and what a beautiful city Dali is. I am so excited to continue to explore this city over the next couple of days, and even more excited to take you all with me. So if seeing Dali in a different part of China that maybe you've never seen before interests you, then subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna do a daily vlog every day that I'm here, and that way you don't miss a single update. Other than that, I'm headed to another destination after Dali as well, and I can't wait to show you guys that destination. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye. It sounds like I'm saying Dolly, like a little baby dolly. Dali?